The song is called Long Story Short.
This life is my story.
Yo, man.
Got to tell them, don't ignore me. I've drove these roads and walked the
Turi kumwe bana ba mama.
thousand times.
Yo, man.
And as the days go by,
Go by.
I always try to be who I am.
A survivor.
To be who I am.
I've been fetched from overseas. I've been saved from many animals. I believe to be divine existence because I cheated death by an inch. That's why I jumped the fence looking for place to face. I came to land in the blood of violence. I don't know if it was negligence or confidence when I refused it to shoot M16. When everybody was trying to pull me down. What a tragedy that came to me. My father, my mother, I'm left alone in a danger zone. I've been about it, they talk about it. Hotel Rwanda was a lot about me. This is my business to tell the truth. I am the showcase of genocide.
This life is my story.
Yeah, man.
Got to tell them, don't ignore me. I've drove these roads and walked the streets.
How many times?
Thousand times.
And
And as the days go by,
goodbye.
I always try to be who I am.
A survivor.
To be who I am.
Yeah, man.
To be who
Check
I
it.
am.
Buried in the noise of close explosions, remembering the sound of my motions. And so I beg to thee to watch over me. Please, your enemy, do not try to push me. Maybe if you died once, you come back as me. This is where I've been, where have you been? I've been about it, they talk about it. So just before my sentence, let me explain. That no more vengeance, my mind obtained. No more faces that caused all my pain. A true survivor who never gave up. I'm so sorry for those who gave up. I chose to push, they chose to hush. It's never over, but I'm over it. I got forced in it, almost died in it. I thank God to get me out of it.
This life is my story.
Yeah, man.
Got to tell them, don't ignore me. I've drove these roads and walked the streets.
How many times?
Thousand times.
And
And as the days go by,
goodbye.
I always try to be who I am.
A survivor.
To be who
I love you, Rwanda. I love you.
who I am.
Let's go to the next song, man. Hey.
Said I'm never gonna quit, never gonna stop.
Johnny T.
Always on my grind,
Your man.
ain't gotta die.
Right.
Money on my mind, yeah, you know what I'm about.
What?
Always on my hustle till my time run out.
Let's do it. 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 Yeah, man. Okay. I woke up in the morning, opportunity knocking. Swear to God, I gotta get it, yeah, I gotta get it. Capable of being a criminal, but my father told me better than you really telling me. I'm gonna get it diplomatically, cause I'm not trying to live in penitentiary for the sake of my family. You got advice for me, finding me my workplace. Otherwise I'll see you when I make $250,000. My gang members are all money thinkers. It feels good to be among all leaders. Send my dinner to my table, all drinks on me. My attitude is never rude, they call me St. Jude. But right now you have to leave me in solitude. I'm trying to double money that I made yesterday. Money on my brain, my lovers are my motive. And where the money are, where the money are. Never die, never die. Right. You know what I'm about. What? My ways of way back machine. I'm focused on the chips and I'm not even gambling. Nickel, put together, I never fail, pushing further. I am a son of a hustler, Spartacus and Capua. You know I'm not a follower. They talk about me to be popular, running after money like I'm running after freedom. Feel me, feel this wisdom. And I'm from Rwanda, yeah, a true survivor. This is a swagger that walked on fire. My everyday question is where the cash at? So where the money at, man? Where the money at? Never there, never there. Right. What? Let's do it. 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 Yo, man. Check it out.
Said I'm never gonna quit.
Never there.
What?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Let's do it. Yeah, man. Murakoze.